Hey guys, it's C-Aaliyah and I am back with another video. So I don't want to ramble on too much. You guys probably have already seen that EcoStyle has come up with a new gel. This is their EcoStyle Gold. Is it style or style or style? Their EcoStyle Gold Gel. So this contains olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed oil. So I believe the olive oil was for like scalp conditioning, shea butter was for moisture, black castor oil was for, I'm trying to think of what I saw on their page, was for hair growth, and then the flaxseed was for strength, if I'm not mistaken, and I don't know why I remember all that, but yeah. I will put down below in the description box where you can get this product. I got it on their website. They finally put it on because it was only exclusively sold at the Bronner's Brother hair show, but it's on the site now. It is $18. I don't know why. You'll have to ask them, but that's how much it is. And yeah, a bit pricey, especially just for this size, but I really wanted to try it out because I'm not sure when it's actually going to launch in beauty supply stores and etc. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, that EcoStyler already came out with a black castor and flaxseed gel and a coconut gel. So these are the two gels I just mentioned. I already have a review and demo on this one. I did really like it, so definitely check that out. This gave me a really amazing wash and go. I've only used this one for my edges. I haven't tried it on my whole head, and I've seen a lot of negative reviews, so I'm kind of scared. But let me know if you guys will still be interested in that. I know the hype kind of is down now, but I can still do it. So yeah, I am going to stop talking now. This is the wash and go that I actually got with this product, and I freaking love it. Like, it is so rare for me to get a wash and go with volume that isn't like puffy at the roots and not defined. Like, my hair is so freaking defined, and I'm just in love with it. So yeah, I am just going to skip to my little demo part of this video so you guys can get like the full review, and then I will come back. So, like with any of my hairstyles, I started on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and as you can see, my curls are super defined and just popping, and I have no product on it. So I did deep condition with the EcoStyle black castor and flaxseed oil deep conditioning therapy, and I loved it. So I'll have a review on this line very soon, but I did go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections. This is the first section, and then I'm just going to split that in half. I decided to actually do the EcoStyle Gold only on this side that you guys see, and then the other side I did a leave-in and the EcoStyle Gold, just to compare and see if this gel really was as moisturizing as people have said in their reviews, and just to compare. So yeah, it does have the little flip open top, which is cool, and it has, I don't know, I like the smell. It has a nice smell to me. So I'm just going to spray my hair with my spray bottle of water so that it's nice, wet, and kind of drenched, and then detangle with my Tangle Teaser and begin applying the gel. One thing I did notice with this gel is the consistency was a bit different. It was a lot lighter it was just a lot lighter than the other EcoStyler gels that I've tried. So applying it to my hair, it did feel really nice. It had amazing slip, but in a second you'll see that it was just not defining my curls as good as I would like with just the amount I had used. And you know, comparing it to, yes baby, oh pretty. Comparing it to the flaxseed oil gel, I literally only had to use like the smallest amount, you guys, to get crisp defined curls. But with this, I found that I did have to use quite a bit of product to actually get frizz-free defined curls that I liked. So that was one thing I noticed. It's not necessarily a con, but yeah. So I'm just going to pretty much rake that into my hair, and then I'm going to actually shingle pieces of my hair that kind of clump together, because I do not like my hair to clump. Like, it just does not look cute. I have to have separated curls. And shingling, by the way, if anyone asks, is pretty much just taking small pieces of your hair and either smoothing your finger down it or twirling it around your finger for added definition. I am just going to fast forward through this part since you kind of already get the gist of what I'm doing, and then I will show you guys exactly what I did to the other side with the leave-in. So this is what this side is looking like, and I was just so in love with the definition, and I also feel like this just gave me more elongation compared to the flaxseed gel, because that one literally made my hair shrink up. So now this is the side I'm going to be using the leave-in with the gel. So again, splitting my section in half just so I can have smaller sections and really get the product through my hair. So again, I'm just spraying my section with water. I'm going to detangle with my tangle teaser and then add this black castor and flaxseed oil moisture rich leave-in conditioner from Eco Style, and it says it's for all hair types. It's supposed to moisturize, soften, detangle, reduce frizz, and promote hair growth. So this was my first time using it, and it was a very lightweight product, but it was super duper moisturizing, you guys. I was not expecting it to be as moisturizing as it was. Now, it didn't like give me like the most popping type of curls, but it did definitely give me some type of definition. I wasn't mad at it, but I was using it more so for, you know, moisture. So I applied this, and then I put the Eco Styler on top. Instantly, obviously, I didn't really feel too much of a difference, but I will tell you guys when my hair is dry how I feel about the moisture. So these are what my curls are looking like now that I shingled it, and my curls were super defined and popping, and I just knew this was going to be a super good wash and go. So I let it air dry. If you have a diffuser, that's much easier, but I've never used one. So these are the results now that my hair is 100% dry, and I fluffed it with my wide tooth comb. I did not use any oil to break a gel cast. My hair, it was like slightly, you guys, had a little cast, but other than that, my hair dried pretty nice and soft. So that's one thing I did notice, because I did have a cast with the flaxseed gel. But yeah, my curls are defined. I have a lot of volume. I don't have any frizz. Like, this wash and go was literally perfect. So the 2 hours it took was definitely worth it. So with that being said, my final results and verdict on this product is I really love it. I freaking love it. the gel only side, the only difference I really see on this or notice on this side is that it is not as moisturized as the side with product in it. I feel like both sides are very defined, but the side that I use the leave-in on, it definitely has more moisture. So I know a lot of people were saying that you do not need a leave-in with this gel. I personally feel like, and that's just based off of my hair, everyone's different, I feel like I definitely would use the leave-in with the gel. I would not use it alone. It's not that my hair is like dried out or anything, but obviously I want my hair to be more moisturized, you know? So yeah, that would be the only difference I really notice about doing the whole half and half is the moisture. I do not have any flakes. Only thing I would say is for like edges, it definitely has a very light hold compared to like the olive and the flaxseed. Like, it's a very light hold. It was barely even laying my edges down. So I personally feel like this would be better for wash and goes than trying to like layer edges, but that's just me. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much my review on this Eco Style Gold Gel. I really like it. I feel like this is just one of my best wash and goes that I've done. I know a lot of you really liked my little sneak peek I did on Instagram stories, and you guys love it too. So yeah, I'm 100% sure this could definitely last me an entire week, but I do have to redo my hair for my baby shower, which I'm just so irritated about. But I was so excited that I was like, you know what, let me just do this. I know I'm only gonna wear this wash and go for a couple days, but it's okay. So now on to the fun parts. I am going to be giving away one of these to one lucky winner. Yeah, I had to actually go back and order another one because I was like, you know what? I gotta give my subscribers a chance to get their hands on this. So there is only one winner. I am opening it up to everyone, so it will be open to the United States and international, because I know you guys always get mad at me when I leave you guys out. So it is open to everyone. So pretty much all the rules, or the rules are, one, you have to be subscribed to me, of course. So if you aren't already subscribed, definitely hit that little button down below. The second rule is follow me on my Instagram if you have one. Now, I don't like to leave people out just because they don't have an Instagram. Not everyone wants an Instagram. So if you have an Instagram, definitely please follow me. It is, my @name is Hazel_goddess. And by following me, you will just be more in tune with what I do, my day-to-day life, things I buy, clothes, food, all type of stuff that I don't put here on YouTube. And then the third rule is just to comment down below, and I'm like making this up off the top of my head. Comment down below why you want to try this Eco Style Gold Gel, or why you love Eco Style Gel. So either or, you guys. I know some people kind of make the rules complicated. Either or, whichever one you want to answer, put it down below and you will be entered. Now, I'm not 100% sure what day this is going to start and what day it's going to end, because I'm kind of like doing this as I go. This is like gonna be pre-recorded, but I will have it on the screen, and the winner will be contacted on their post. So make sure you have your notifications turned on. I'm not going to be making a big video on who the winner is. You will just be contacted, so keep that in mind. And yeah, that is it, you guys. So definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.